Welcome to KidsZilla, where we play and learn. In this video, we will learn single digit addition. So let's get started. 9 plus 7 is equals to. The correct answer is 16. Next question. 6 plus 4 is equals to. The answer is 10. Next question. 9 plus 1 is equals to. The answer is 10. Next question. 7 plus 8 is equals to. The answer is 15. Next question. 8 plus 2 is equals to. The answer is 10. Next question. 5 plus 1 is equals to. The answer is 6. Next question. 7 plus 2 is equals to. The answer is 9. Next question. 9 plus 6 is equals to. The answer is 15. Next question. 5 plus 4 is equals to. The answer is 9. Next question. 1 plus 5 is equals to. The answer is 6. Next question. 0 plus 6 is equals to. The answer is 6. Next question. 4 plus 8 is equals to. The answer is 12. Next question. 0 plus 2 is equals to. The answer is 2. Next question. 2 plus 2 is equals to. The answer is 4. Next question. 4 plus 2 is equals to. The answer is 6. Next question. 0 plus 9 is equals to. The answer is 9. Next question. 1 plus 9 is equals to. The answer is 10. Next question. 4 plus 0 is equals to. The answer is 4. Next question. 9 plus 0 is equals to. The answer is 9. Next question. 2 plus 8 is equals to. The answer is 10. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get all my future updates. Thank you.